How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we're going to be going over our K-Force Micro 50 linear tow. When you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your connection cables. Now you'll notice a connector here, and this is to be used with our optional Supreme control. And then you'll see that you have your main power cables, you have your aux cables to hook up to 10 amps of extra lighting off of your Supreme control. And since this is a tow bar, you also have your stop till turn function as well. Now when it comes to our Supreme controls, we have our standard version and our handheld version. Now today I will be using our standard version, and then I'll hop back and show you the features of our handheld. To get your light bar hooked up using our Supreme control, you'll simply plug your connector into your Supreme control box. And then I went ahead and hooked my main power cables up, so my red cable to my positive and my black cable to my negative. Now this is a tow bar, so it comes in standard amber, and all of our tow bars come standard with 2 white takedowns, 2 white alleys, and 2 rear work lights. And we also have our customize a light bar tool, where you can lay out exactly what colors you want in your light bar as well. So you'll see on your Supreme control, you have your slide switch here. So the first position will activate the back of your light bar, the second position will activate the front of your light bar, and the third position will activate your light bar in 360 mode. So you can easily access those 3 modes off of your slide switch here. And then you have your flash pattern button, so you can cycle through your different flash patterns, you can find a pattern you'd like. And then this light bar has memory recall, so you can turn your light bar off and back on, and it'll remember the last pattern it was on. And you can program a different flash pattern for each different mode. So if you switch back to your back mode and program a pattern here, and switch to your front mode and program a pattern here, your light bar can remember up to 3 different flash patterns. And then you also have a couple flash pattern shortcuts here. So if you hold your pattern button down for 3 seconds, your light bar will go to steady burn. And if you hold your pattern button down for 5 seconds, your light bar will activate its random flash pattern mode. So you can easily access those 2 modes off of your flash pattern button. Now let's go over your takedown, alley, and cruise functions. So you have your takedown, alley, and cruise buttons here. Now when these modes are activated, you'll notice those modules will go to steady burn, and you'll also notice with your alley button that your rear work lights will come on as well. And these do operate independently whether your light bar is flashing or not. And then when you deactivate these buttons, you'll notice those modules will go back to flashing with your light bar. Now we do offer a multicolor upgrade here for your takedowns, alleys, and work lights, to where when these modules are flashing, they will flash the warning color ordered of your light bar, and then when you activate those functions, they will still go steady burn clear. Now let's go over your traffic advisor and aux button. So I went ahead and turned my light bar around here for you to show you the traffic advising feature. Now you'll notice since this is a tow bar, you have your stop till turn modules as well as your rear work lights. And we do offer a multicolor upgrade here to where when these modules are flashing, they will flash the warning color ordered of your light bar. And then when you activate your traffic advisor, these modules will go amber. And then you'll see on your Supreme control that you have your center out, you have your right left, and left-right functions here that you can easily access on your Supreme control. And then finally, you have your aux button here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting. And you'll simply hook those lights up to your extra aux line here. Now let's go over the functions of your handheld Supreme. So the main difference with our handheld Supreme is its more compact handheld design, and you'll see the slide switch is actually replaced with 3 buttons up here. So you have your back mode, your front mode, and your 360 mode. And then you have your pattern changer, you have your takedown button, your alley button, and your traffic advising features, and then you have your cruise mode. And then finally you have your aux button here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting. When it comes to the housing of this light bar, you'll notice the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice underneath your light bar that you have extra drainage holes for even more moisture protection. And then you'll see that you get your included light bar feet here, and these are adjustable along the slide track if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then you'll see our universal gutter mount brackets as an option, as well as vehicle specific gutter mount brackets. And then we have our permanent stud mount bracket, and this will use the existing hardware from your light bar feet to mount to your light bar like so. And this light bar will use 2 permanent stud mount brackets. And then finally we have our headache rack bracket, which you can mount your light bar to and sandwich on your headache rack like so. So that covers all of the features of our K-Force Micro 50 linear tow. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below the product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.